Good evening, everyone. This is the second pack of the Surimi snow leg crab style. It's an imitation crab. So when I bought this at Sam's Club last week, it came in a 2-pack, 1 pound each. And I have a separate video where I turned the first pound into crab scampi. So this one, I am going to take half it, 8 ounces of this crab, and make crab meat roll-ups. And so what I need is, 8 ounces of crab, 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 1/4 cup cocktail sauce. This is homemade cocktail sauce. And then 1/4 cup Swiss cheese, tortillas, flour tortillas, and then cream cheese. Hold on one second. Cream cheese. I had this in the cupboard trying to come to room temperature the last couple hours. Can't leave it on the counter because I have cats. Lots and lots of cats. So anyway, we're gonna mix the cream cheese and the cocktail sauce together until it's smooth, and then add in the chopped ingredients. There was 11 pieces of crab in the 16-ounce container, so I just took 5 pieces and a half. The one thing I noticed when cooking this scampi style, it's got this Danny, come on. All right, forgive Danny, he can't resist the smell. I don't know what this is. Danny, you can have it. You eat that. But it came off a lot when I was cooking the shrimp scampi style. So anyway, I'm gonna finely chop this first. All right, I don't know what's going on with my cats. They all love the smell of this imitation crab. So now I need 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. I don't know how many green onions that is, so I'm just taking 3 to start with, and then I'm gonna chop them up fine and see if that's 1/4 cup. And I got my spray bottle handy because the cats will not stop coming up to the counter. All right, 3 green onions was a little over 1/4 cup of onion. That's fine, I like onion. I'll put a little extra in there. This recipe is from allrecipes.com, and I will link it down below. Sage, that's an onion. You're not gonna like it. No, you're not gonna like it. You see what I have to deal with? You're gonna have to get down. Training these cats is a work in progress. So where were we? All right, allrecipes.com, I'll link it down below. So now here's the softened cream cheese, my homemade cocktail sauce, 1/4 cup. You can use store-bought. I just happen to have some left over from last week when we had a seafood dish. And so now I'm gonna mix this really good together. I guess I could beat it together, but that's fine. I'm just gonna hand stir it for a couple minutes until it's incorporated really well. All right, I got this mixed together. It's not perfectly smooth because I didn't use a beater, but good enough. It's just me and my husband. So then I have the crab, the cheese, and the onions. I'm gonna mix that all in together. And this is late, this is 11 p.m. right now on a Friday night. So I'm making it later because it's one of those that says you should put it in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours or overnight. And so I'm gonna make it for our lunch tomorrow. So get all this mixed together. And then I'm gonna spread it on the tortilla shell. And it said it should take should be enough mixture for 4 tortillas, and then you spread it and roll it, and then you refrigerate the rolls, and then you don't cut it until tomorrow after it's solidified for 8 hours. So this crab did come apart quite easily. It's imitation crab. I'm sure I've mentioned that a dozen times. I just mentioned that because on the package from Sam's, I kind of feel like it's a little misleading. If you don't read the fine print, you think it's real snow crab legs when it's not. It's imitation. So we got that mixed. Now we're gonna spread a thin layer on these. I need a smaller spatula, but you get the idea. All right, I have it spread out. It might be too much, but let's roll it. I made pinwheels before with my husband. He has this really good black olive one. I feel like I've done a video on it. All right, so we're gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna wrap it in plastic so it stays together, and then it's gonna go in the refrigerator for overnight or until lunch tomorrow. So I made 3 rolls. I think mine are overstuffed. The recipe said it'll make 4 8-inch flour tortillas. I made 3 10-inch flour tortillas. They just don't stop. They just don't stop. Danny. I love my cats. Don't get me wrong. It's late at night and I'm tired. Get down. But anyway, these are going in the refrigerator. I think I already mentioned that before. Did I mention I'm tired? I'm just really trying to find ways to use up that imitation crab meat. I liked it. Would I be buying it again? No. Imitation crab meat, yeah, overall. But the point of the ones from Sam's Club is they're supposed to just taste like snow crab legs. They don't. They taste like imitation crab. Which, if you like imitation crab, is great. It's a fair price, but it's not snow crab legs. Yep. You just don't stop. He's my Oscar the Grouch, my garbage dump. Yes, you are. You'll eat anything. It's the next day. I unwrapped one, and now I'm gonna cut it. It doesn't seem too firm, but we'll see. Here's the 3 rolls cut up. There's the ends. Here's gonna be my taste test. Quick taste test. You can hear the air fryer going. Am I in your way, honey?
Yep.
I'm just gonna make me some cocktail sauce. That's really good. Oh my god. He has some store-bought cocktail sauce because he loves the spicy. But I like his homemade better. Perfect. Thank you, honey. This is addictive. Next time I go to Holly's that she wants to bring something, I'm making this.
They won't like it.
She likes crab. She might like it.
They won't like it. Trust me, they won't like it. We made it, they won't like it.
So the recipe said to refrigerate it for 8 hours. I don't know that was necessary. When Robert makes pinwheel, which is very similar, he just, instead of crab, we have black olive. You don't like to make it too early because the bread gets soggy. And I agree, when I was cutting it, like pieces of the bread was coming off. So I don't necessarily know that I agree with needing to refrigerate it overnight. Whenever Robert makes pinwheels for parties, he always makes it the morning of. I think we would stick with that.